Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to pay Paysafecard online without registration. If you need a sign up Paysafecard, I have another video how to register set up Paysafecard. End of this video, then you can watch that video how to set up online Paysafecard. Okay, first I'm going to Google how to sign up the Paysafecard. Okay, scroll down. Okay, now I'm in the website, discover how to pay cash online. You can see pay safely and secure online with the Paysafecard close loop gift card. Sign up. Okay. Okay, if we talk about Paysafecard, it's a prepaid payment option for many gaming and entertainment website. You can use a Paysafecard is guaranteed to be accept participating merchant website. Okay, there are two ways to pay online with the Paysafecard. Okay, with registration for free and within couple of minutes, you can sign up the website Paysafecard. Pay simple with your login details, manage your online payment, more future with the Paysafecard app. Maximum amount per transaction up to $300. Okay, same thing that you can see max amount per transaction up to $300 without registration. You only need to use 16 digital PIN pay to access get the Paysafecard. We do not use any personal data without bank account and credit card. Okay, with someone online shop registration may be necessary for all transaction. Find a sale outlet. I'm going to click this one. Okay, you can buy Paysafecard from CVS, Dollar General, or buy your Paysafecard easily online. Purchase Safeguard very easily at home or to go to the partner website PC Game Supply. Buy online now at a PC Game Supply. I'm going to click this link. Okay, come to page like that, you can see pcgamesupply.com, game card and gift card, Paysafecard, Apple gift card, Amazon, and so many things you can buy from this game card, pcsupply.com. Buy your safeguard easily online. PC Game Supply make it simple and easy to buy a Paysafecard online. Okay, you can get $10 to $100. So click now like that, then add to cart. You can purchase Paysafecard. Paysafecard online right now from PC Game Supply. Simply add a product, your card, register account, and complete payment. The Paysafecard code will be delivered to your email and PC Game Supply custom account. Okay, when you buy Paysafecard online, then they're gonna be a code will be delivered to your email. How to pay Paysafecard? They are a faster and most secure method. Payment is a PayPal. To make PayPal payment, you must have to attach a bank account with PayPal or PayPal account balance. Credit card. Okay, if you have time, you can read those details. Okay, I'm going to click game cards. Alright, you can see that PlayStation Store gift card US $10 to $100 you can purchase. Xbox gift card $15 to $50, and Nexon game card $10 to 500 US dollar. Racer Gold, Fortnite, Battleground, New State, Steam gift card worldwide $10 to $100. Okay, open box $15 to 250 US dollar. Okay, many game cards you can see. You can figure out which one you want to buy it, and you can use the game cards with this link. And gift card. Okay, for everything, Apple gift card US $2 to $500 can purchase. Google Play gift code US $10 to $100. New pay card $25 to $250 Visa debit. Okay, I'm going to click Paysafecard. Alright, you can get that Paysafecard $10 to $100. Okay, what is a Paysafecard? You can read all the details. Why use a Paysafecard? buying Paysafecard Onlne, Paysafecard and PayPal, additional payment option in Canada. If you purchase from Canada, you can read those details. VU New Zealand credit, League of Legends Australia, League of Legends UK, Roblox Roblox Australia, Roblox New Zealand, Roblox Canada. We have it all. They have it all. If you choose upload your gaming account with the prepaid card, you have found the perfect store. All game card product are sent as a digital code and delivered instantly. Okay, PC game supplies on the marketplace. When purchasing these stores, be assured be obtaining product directly from the game publisher. That's a detail about Paysafecard. You can buy your Paysafecard easily online. PC Game Supply makes it simple and easy to buy Paysafecard online. Okay, again, you can purchase a Paysafecard easily online without registration. If you need to sign up Paysafecard, I have a video end of this video. You can watch this video how to register, set up Paysafecard.